Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the first app and preparing the dock. This is deliberate. Drag the second app from the dock to the screen edge to form split view and hold it until it snaps. Once done, use the divider to adjust space, smaller for reference, larger for work. Make sure to tap the app icon in the title bar to switch to a different app within the split. This immediate action sets the multitasking layout you will refine next. Now focus on control. Drag the center divider to set precise ratios, for example, 70/30 when you need one app dominant. If you need temporary focus, pull an app into slide over and stash it to the right. This keeps it accessible without disrupting layout. Once arranged, drag content directly between panes, text, images, links to save time and avoid switching apps. Make sure to use keyboard shortcuts if you have one attached. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge and the remaining app fills the screen. That ends the session cleanly. Once done, use the title bar menu to collapse into full screen or convert slide over back into split view. If Windows refuse to rearrange, force quit the problematic app and reopen it. Often that clears layout glitches. Make sure to check settings home screen and dock if multitasking feels disabled, because a single toggle can block the whole workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.